2 months ago, one of our clients on zootools Panda, which is the leading waitlist and referral marketing software, told us, guys, we're going viral. We're getting more than 200,000 subscribers in our pre-launch waitlist, but we don't know how many of those are actually bots or spammers versus real people. Help us and do something to solve this issue. And this guy told us, Jorge, if you figure out how to solve this problem, I'm sure more and more companies will get benefit of this, and not only using Sutrus Panda, but more companies can actually use your API and your technology to protect them as well. And that's what we did. We iterated and did many things. So the number one thing was adding captchas, and the second thing was adding one-time passwords. What we saw is that those two things are not really good. They remove a little bit because they create more friction into the attacker, but really sophisticated people, they know how to bypass those two technologies. For the captcha, for example, there are a lot of tools and software that you can actually Google that basically what they do is bypass captchas at scale. So that is not really sophisticated to make sure that bots or spammers are not reading your subscription list. The second thing is the one-time passwords or double opt-in. They work really well because ultimately the hackers or the spammer or the attacker, they have to be more sophisticated. You can bypass them really easy. For example, I can set up an email server, and whenever I receive the one-time password, I read the content and automatically type them to bypass that verification. Same if you have to click a link, for example. I went ahead and be like, okay, we have to be more creative. We have to come up with a better solution. And that's how this email verification API was born. So what we do here is first, we are constantly monitoring hundreds of thousands of bots, spammers, and good traffic as well. Just not only for you, but for all the customers, either in Sutrus Panda or with this API, which is really cool because the more customers we get, the better the system becomes. We look at for patterns and weird behaviors from people. So for example, if somebody is signing up multiple times, if they are trying to use weird email patterns, or if they are using disposable emails, which are a very common practice from hackers or spammers, which is really bad because if you try to send emails to disposable addresses, it's more likely that you will get a bounce. And if you do this a lot of times, your email reputation will go down. As a result, your emails will be delivered less, and less. You will have a really bad reputation on email providers. We also have our built-in database of disposable emails, more than 300,000 disposable emails that we are constantly updating every single day. The second part is actually start blocking the bad guys here. We have both an automatic system as well as a manual review process. So we have automatic systems that whenever we identify clear bad patterns, we automatically block the people. And also we have manual review to make sure that everything is good. Really cool part about our technology is that you can add it everywhere. So you can add it into your sign-up forms, into your newsletter, anywhere. It's also able to delete subscribers that you already have in your list retroactively. What I mean by that is that whenever our system keeps learning and identify bad people and bad guys, what we do is actually go ahead and automatically delete those people from the software. If you are using Zootools Panda, we automatically remove them for you. But if you are using your own email service, for example, MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or anything like that, we set up webhooks and different ways to notify you about, okay, this guy is bad, please go ahead and remove it, which is really awesome because what that means is that we not only protect upcoming requests, one that is trying to sign up as a new user, but we also removed bad actors and bad people from the past as well, which is really powerful and really magical. Hope you like the story. This is how this product started. And it's really cool because we will not only keep improving that, but whenever we detect bad people on Zootools Panda, you will automatically get benefit from that as well, which is really awesome. So yeah, let us know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at support@zootools.co. And yeah, we are 24/7 for you. We are excited for blocking spammers and bots for you. And let's make it happen. Peace out.